Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making this cute explosion box perfect for Christmas. So here I am using an A3 size sheet, making a rectangle of 15 by 30 centimeter and then dividing it into 3 equal parts of 15 by 10 centimeter. So we have to cut the bigger rectangle. So for next piece, we need to make a rectangle of 10 by 35 centimeter and dividing into 3 parts, out of which one is square of 10 centimeter, the second one is 10 by 15 rectangle, and third is also a square of 10 centimeter. So let's cut this bigger rectangle. Now we have to fold both the sheet using pencil as a guideline. So now after folding the two rectangles, we have to put the center part one on another. Now we have to glue them together. Now to beautify the box, we'll paste these beautiful pattern paper on the outside of the box. I've already cut these beautiful pattern paper and pasting them on the outer side of the box. To make it more beautiful, I am adding tape in the corner of every rectangle and square. So now let's add Christmas theme stickers which are made from glitter sheets. bottom part of the box is ready. Now we have to prepare a lid for it. Here I am drawing a rectangle of 21 by 16 cm with 3 cm as border from each side. Now we have to cut the outer rectangle and carefully cut the places where it has to be folded for becoming a lid. Okay, let's beautify the lid also by pasting cute pattern papers and then taping it up with designer tape. And the box is ready. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video and a Merry Christmas.